In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make or break up your Google form into different sections. Every time you break your Google form into different sections, it's actually going to show up to the participant as different pages on your Google form. So, for example, if you wanted to go ahead and add a section after your title and description so that people are just introduced to the basics of your form and the information, then you can come to this sidebar and go to the last icon, which will add your section. Now, right after it, it's going to tell you what the options might be for those who are participating in the Google form. After section 1, it says right now that they will continue to the next section. However, if you would like for them to go to the second section or go straight to submitting the form, you can select where they go after this area. However, for these purposes, let's go ahead and continue to the next section. Here we have section 2 out of 2. Now let's say that we wanted to break this up. I would click on the button on the question that I wanted to be the last question that we see, and I'm going to go ahead and add a section. As you can see, now we have the third section. Finally, after this, if we wanted them to have a final section and it takes them to where they need to go, then that might be the submit form page. And that way, when they have submit form, it's a page completely on its own. And that way now, when we preview it, you can see that there are different pages so that we can break up our Google form. This is especially helpful if you have a really lengthy form, if you would rather people focus on one question at a time, or if you have any other specific needs. Now that I've continued that and we go back, you can see that we have my one response and it'll just give you the information that I wrote down.